Here's a run through of the oval Christmas ornament animation. When you get your zip file, you've got to make sure you extract it all somewhere on your hard drive rather than opening the file from the zip, because it needs all the associated movie files that come with it. So find a place to save the file on your hard drive and then open the PSD from there. So we've got this one open already, but there you can see the movie files that need to be right next to it, whatever location you save it. Okay, to preview you can just grab this blue scrubber here. If you get to the 5 second mark, sorry, the 2.5 second mark, you can see your design on there. So to get your design on, you come over to the layer stack down here in the bottom right, and you've got the front and the back. So double click the smart object, which is this bit here, to get to your design. To put your design on, all you need to do is go to File, Place Embedded, and then locate wherever your file is and put it on. Once your design's on there, just throw mine in the bin. I'll leave that there because it's the only layer there at the moment. When you close this, you'll be prompted to save, and you say yes, then your design will be there. And you do exactly the same process for the back. When you're ready, just go to this burger menu, click render video. Probably can keep all these as they are. Find a place to save it and give it a name, and then click render, and it will take a minute or so, depending on how fast your machine is. There's things you can change. You can change the background if you want. Just double click the background. Same way as the design, you go File, Place Embedded, drop in yours, and then delete mine. Anything else to mention? Don't think there's anything you need to change here. You can change the gold string to a different coloured string if you wanted, but to do that you need to open the other PSD. The ornament gold has the gold string. The ornament regular has the coloured string, and to change that all you need to do is open up this folder, go to the string, and you'll see this colour overlay. Double click that, and then you can change that to whatever colour you want. It's in exactly the same way you can actually change the colour of the ornament as well. So down here you see the ornament, it's got a colour overlay here, double click that, and then you can change that to whatever you want. There you go, I think that's all there is to talk about.